One Android Auto smartphone can be connected, either by USB cable or in wireless mode. First, install the Android Auto application via Play Store on your smartphone. Your smartphone's wireless connection can be initialized from the device menu. First, activate the wireless Android Auto function in the Settings menu of the Android Auto application of your phone. Press on the Settings application. In the list, select the Connectivity tab. Select Devices to display the device you wish to connect to Android Auto. If the device has never been connected to the system, proceed with pairing. The system will detect if the smartphone is compatible with Android Auto and offer to connect to it after pairing. If the device has previously been connected to the system via Bluetooth, select the device's settings in the list of known devices and choose Android Auto as the wireless connection mode. In order for the smartphone to be automatically connected thereafter, you must activate your device's Bluetooth. As soon as the connection is established, press this button to display the Android Auto interface. In case of difficulty with the wireless connection, connect your smartphone to the system via the USB port. Android Auto will be launched automatically a few seconds after the USB connection has been established. The smartphone charges when it is connected via the USB cable. The cable connection allows you to avoid any disconnections, especially when going through toll booths. To launch the smartphone's voice commands, long press the command button on the steering wheel.